avatar look. Let's go. Let's search. Go back to search ko back. At my it's not here. And next, the headlamp. Oh my god, avatar. There is. And the shirt. This okay. I like this. Need one more. Okay, I like it. And hair. Okay, let's put and the animation. Okay, I chose this and wrap this and oh my god, and I like it. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Give us a like and subscribe, guys. And see you next video.